Hey guys, today we're gonna open like these, but I'm curious for this one because it's making some rattling sound. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna open this. A lot of packages. I choose this one to open because I'm curious what's inside. Mom's helping me, and I'm cutting on this line. Bro, I think it's meds. I don't know if it's meds. I'm done cutting it out. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. What is this? It's like color-coded things. Like, I don't know what is this. But all I know, I opened this one. Let's open the rest. Let's open this one. It's rubber bands. That is one in this one. It was like rubber bands. It's like squishy. Anyways, we opened this one. Now let's open any, mini, money, mo. Catch it, tiger, bite stuff. If I holler, let it go. Any, mini, money, mo. This one. Oh my god. I'm gonna show this to you later because this is chaos. I forgot it was paper and I just used scissors. I could just rip it. Anyways, it's Dance Batte Tights. That's a one. There is two more to open and this is on the side. Ignore that. Let's open. Any, mini, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. If I holler, let it go. Any, mini, miny, mo. This one. This is, I don't know what this is. I'm just gonna open it, but it came in the bag, so. Is this a hairpiece? This is a stinking bun. Let's open. Where's the last one? Where's the last one? Oh, found it. Let's open this one. I'm gonna use this for scissors, or we're gonna rip it. I choose scissors because it's more easier because there's tape. And it's hard with, not tape. Is this supposed to be hair with Gaspa? It looks like hair with Gaspa. It is hair with Gaspa. And it came with this. It's hair. For my mom, I don't know. Bye, I'm drinking my drinky. I'm not going to show you.